Getting ready to go ahead and do some hog head cheese. I went ahead and bought some pigtails just to throw up in it. Pig ears are extremely expensive now at my local grocery store, so I just went ahead with the cheaper route. Got some pigtails. As long as it's pig, it'll still be good. Got all the ingredients here. Of course, I got some more secret ingredients I'm not gonna show you guys, but let's go ahead and get this all started. Here's the star of the day, hog head. I'm gonna go ahead and get this cut open and cleaned off and everything, and cut down and throw it in the pot. Fill up the pots about right here with water. Maybe a little bit more. Once it cooks down for about 2 or 3 hours, I'm going to go ahead and pull the head out, cut some more meat off the bottom so that way the snout can be able to sit in the water a little bit more. But stay tuned. Got everything all seasoned. Go ahead and bring it to a boil. Let it sit here and boil for about 4 hours, and cut some meat off the bottom. Try to put the snout back in the water a little bit more, and take it from there, folks.